Hey guys, welcome to the part 3 of painting facial features. In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw and paint realistic lips. You have to see the direction of the face as the shape of the lips depend on that. She has little side lips and she is facing in front, so the lips are visible properly. Try to find the angles again. You would also want to see how broad the lips are, where the corners are. So I'm lightly sketching the top and bottom like a box where the lips will fit in. So there are a lot of shapes inside the lips. There are 2 circles on the upper lip and a big oval type shape on the lower one. The lips is a muscle, so it's important to capture the shapes right. And then you can see the different angles. It is a good practice to observe your own lips and kind of feel the inner muscles, and that really helps in achieving those forms and lifelike structure in your painting. Now I'm going to painting. I'll paint this dark to light as well. So as I did in the other parts of painting features, the same principle applies here. Things that recede are done with cools and other with warms. If you missed part 1 and 2 of this series, please do watch it to understand this concept better. So beginning with a cool color on the outlines and inner area, I'm painting lips that are a bit open. So the area inside the mouth will be done with cools, just being expressive here, and then applying warms in the areas that are coming forward. The most common mistake we do when we are not seeing a reference is that we think that the lips look like fishes. So they are not actually fish shaped, and when you make it like a fish, it looks really kiddish. So you really need to, figure out all those angles. Time for some highlights. I'm mixing white and pale yellow as I always do, and just applying on the top and a bit at the lower lip. I'm going to soften this as lips are really a soft feature on the face, so harsh lines wouldn't look realistic. And the area above the upper lip kind of dips inside, so I'll highlight the adjacent area. So it's done. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon. I'll be soon putting the next part of this series, so don't miss it. See you in the next video. Bye.